In a dramatic turn of events at the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse, former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen's testimony seized the courtroom's attention as he connected key events to the 2016 presidential election. Jurors visibly responded when Cohen, shifting the dynamics of the trial, corroborated alleged schemes directed by Donald Trump to quash negative stories pre-election day. This spectacle was not just a legal battle, but a theater of personal vendettas and high-stakes drama. Cohen, once Trump's fixer, laid bare his former allegiance, describing how he dealt with payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels to silence her claims of an affair with Trump. Cohen's fall from Trump's grace was as steep as it was public, leading to prison time and a new role as a fervent critic of the former president. His testimony was the prosecution's ace, although it was clear that Cohen's reliability, due to his history of perjury, was a key target for the defense. The courtroom's ambiance was tense as Donald Trump sat with eyes closed, exuding disdain, while his son Eric watched intently. This scene underscored the divide within the Trump camp and between Cohen and his past allies. Cohen's defection was not just a legal matter, but a personal betrayal, deeply felt by the Trump family. Eric and his wife Laura occasionally shared comforting gestures, portraying a picture of family solidarity amidst adversity. The cross-examination by Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, turned acerbic, aiming to dismantle Cohen's credibility. Blanche accused Cohen of fabricating a vital phone call with Trump just before the hush payment was made. This confrontation peaked with Blanche's booming voice and animated gestures, challenging texts Cohen sent to Trump's bodyguard, Keith Schiller. These texts seemingly contradicted Cohen's story about discussing the hush money with Trump. Blanche's aggressive line of questioning brought Cohen's past inconsistencies to the forefront, particularly his recanting of previous guilty pleas and his shifting stance on his relationship with Trump. This not only painted Cohen as unreliable, but also suggested a potential motive of fame and revenge against his former employer. Despite the pressure, Cohen maintained a calm demeanor, asserting the significance of his recollection regarding crucial conversations about the hush money. Throughout the trial, the jury was presented with a tableau of sordid details, from hush money checks signed with a Sharpie to handwritten notes by the Trump Organization's CFO, Alan Weisselberg. Each piece of evidence meticulously described how payouts were allegedly masked, reinforcing the prosecution's narrative of Trump's direct involvement. These details, although described as childish by some observers, were significant in laying out the former president's alleged efforts to manipulate electoral outcomes. Observers noted Trump's peculiar body language, mostly static and disengaged from the trial, a contrast to his previous court appearances marked by outbursts. However, his attention sharply returned when Cohen's interactions with the media were scrutinized. This shift highlighted Trump's strategy of portraying himself as a victim of media bias and his disdain for Cohen's allegations. The trial, nearing its conclusion with summations expected soon, saw Cohen's credibility continuously under fire. The defense hinted at calling additional witnesses, including Cohen's former attorney, to further challenge his honesty. However, regardless of the defense's efforts, Cohen's testimony left an indelible mark on the proceedings. As drama unfolded inside the courthouse, the spectacle attracted a cadre of Republican politicians showing their support for Trump. This external show of solidarity underscored the political undertones of the trial, hinting at broader implications for the upcoming elections. The complex interplay of legal and political battles set the stage for what could be a defining moment in Trump's tumultuous post-presidency saga.